Who to hire or DIY? There are pros paid to look over projects. That is supervisors, superintendents, project managers, consultants, etc. If you want more control, then you need to think like a person in control, not like a regular Joe trying to get work done. I've had very little luck hiring off Craigslist, but I have seen lots of people get it done that way. It's all about your style, but more importantly, what are you willing to do? I put that in all caps because people are willing to say they are willing to do things far more often than they are actually willing to do them. If you want good people, you will have to go through a lot of not-so-good people, and some god-awful ones. It costs money to hire pros to inspect your deals, to put together a non-biased / fact-based line item complete bid for your project that includes timelines, budgets, scope, materials, and permitting material order information. It costs money to pay someone to review bids paperwork to ensure the trades you hire are qualified and you are protected if they mess up. It costs money to have someone oversee your project to ensure quality, code, property material use, install, collect warranty paperwork, meet inspectors, trades, and ensure the safety, security of your project, with your project's best interest in your project. That is not what you demand done, even though you are wrong, thus allowing you to screw up the project. It costs money to hire a qualified realtor who will not only know all about your project, have the passion to properly convey it to others, willingness to miss their kids' soccer game, but actually spend their reputation, time, energy, imagination, information to get your property sold for the highest margins in the shortest time possible. But if you knew that all in the beginning and, like a good investor does, buy your deals, out-sacrificing yourself to the I'll just do that myself to make it a deal mentality, then you can pay someone to do it all for you. It sounds expensive, and it does cost you some of your ROI, but you lose far less often on deals that go south, turn out like crap, sit idle on the market, and so on. You pay for what you get, and if you don't pay anything, well, anyway, my advice. Pay a pro until you feel you are one. If you think you can fake it until you make it, well, good luck and bless your heart. This, and comprehensive and fact-based articles like this, can be found at www.reiguideservice.com in the blog section, or on YouTube, Rumble, and many places podcast can be found. This information is free and is provided to give real property investment guidance to those looking to expand their circle of knowledge. Thank you for listening.